Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Busy Signal is set to treat fans to the dancehall experience when he performs on Sunday, September 2 in Hartford, Connecticut. The event, billed as Busy Signal and Friends in Concert, will be the DJ's first performance in Hartford. Other artists slated to perform include Marcia Griffiths, Charlie Black, Christopher Martin, Ikea, and Dean Major. Busy Signal recently released visuals for the summer track called T-Shirt Weather, which shows the artist frolicking with the ladies as they cool down in the summer heat. The video for T-Shirt Weather was directed by RD Studios. Jamaican-born producer Stephen Lenky Marsden recently released his sophomore album called Self-Taught. The 11-song instrumental album, released on Lenky's Duali Records imprint, showcases his dexterity on the piano. The album also shows Lenky's range as an arranger and producer as he explores Latin textures, contemporary jazz, hip-hop, and of course his native reggae and dancehall. The album's only features are music icons Sly and Robbie on the track Which Way Do We Drive, and Lenky's son and Duali Records labelmate Q Marsden, who lends his vocals to the jazz number Rapper in the Midst. The album's title, Self-Taught, speaks to Lenky's natural ability to play the piano. It is also solidified by all of the contributing musicians themselves being self-taught. Lenky is best known for creating dancehall music's landmark Duali rhythm, which spawned major hits like Wayne Wonder's No Letting Go, Lumidee's Never Leave You Oh, and most notably Sean Paul's Get Busy, which enjoyed a 3-week run atop the Billboard Hot 100 singles chart. On the heels of his exhilarating Reggae Sumfest performance, iconic reggae artist Maxi Priest is back with new music. The track dubbed Rocksteady Love is sensual, a lover's rock tune that will be available on all streaming platforms on September 1 from VP Records. Maxi Priest has a vast catalog of hits, including Billboard Top 10 bangers, multiple awards, and Grammy nominations. Other top 10 singles to his credit include Set the Night to Music, the duet with Roberta Flack, and That Girl featuring Shaggy. Alongside UB40, Maxi Priest is the only other British reggae performer to have a US Billboard #1 hit, Close to You, back in 1990. Now to news overseas. Actress Queen Latifah will host this year's staging of the Black Girls Rock Awards. R&B singer Mary J. Blige will receive the Star Power Award. Model Naomi Campbell will be presented with the Black Girl Magic Award, while Judith Jamison will receive the Living Legend Award for her work in dance and choreography. Other honorees include Emmy-winning writer Lena Waithe and Tarana Burke of the Me Too movement. The program will honor Aretha Franklin in a tribute to include performances by Yolanda Adams, Tamia, Her, Victory Boyd, and Jacqueline Green of the Alvin Ailey Dance Theatre. BET Network will air the special celebrating the accomplishments of Black women on September 9. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.